Rudy Giuliani, the former mayor of New York City and personal attorney to former President Donald Trump, finds himself entangled in a web of escalating legal troubles that threaten to cast a shadow over his once prominent career. This troubling saga has been marked by a series of events that have unfolded in recent months, underscoring Giuliani's legal vulnerability and the potentially dire consequences he faces. One of the most significant blows to Giuliani's legal standing came when he was found liable for defaming Ruby Freeman and Shay Moss, two Georgia election workers who played critical roles in the 2020 presidential election. The defamation lawsuit, stemming from Giuliani's baseless claims of election fraud and misconduct in Georgia, resulted in a court ruling against him. This ruling not only tarnished Giuliani's reputation but also exposed him to potential financial liabilities. Despite the court's verdict and subsequent orders, Giuliani has shown an astonishing level of defiance. In a brazen display of disregard for the rule of law, he has ignored a federal judge's directive to pay $132,000 in legal fees to Freeman and Moss. This blatant refusal to comply with court-ordered financial obligations only serves to compound his legal troubles, as it could lead to further penalties and sanctions. Adding to Giuliani's woes is the fact that his own legal counsel has turned against him. Giuliani's lawyer has initiated legal action of his own, filing a lawsuit against his high-profile client for a staggering $1.4 million in unpaid legal bills. This legal showdown between Giuliani and his attorney underscores the depth of his financial instability and raises questions about his ability to secure adequate legal representation as his legal battles intensify. Meanwhile, a peculiar aspect of this saga is the involvement of Donald Trump, Giuliani's longtime ally and the 45th President of the United States. Despite their association, Trump's role in Giuliani's legal defense has raised eyebrows. While Trump has undertaken fundraising efforts on Giuliani's behalf, there are lingering doubts about whether this support is sufficient given the magnitude of Giuliani's legal woes. The ambiguity surrounding Trump's level of commitment to Giuliani suggests that the former president may view Giuliani as a legal liability, making fundraising for his defense somewhat symbolic. Giuliani's refusal to cooperate and adhere to court orders could lead to severe repercussions. In the eyes of the law, his defiance may be interpreted as an attempt to obstruct justice, a charge that could carry substantial penalties. Furthermore, the financial consequences of his legal battles are potentially crippling, especially considering the mounting legal fees and potential damages he may be required to pay. In the grand scheme of legal battles, Rudy Giuliani's predicament serves as a cautionary tale. It illustrates the ramifications of recklessness, the importance of legal compliance, and the fragility of political alliances. As Giuliani's legal problems continue to mount, the world watches with bated breath, awaiting the resolution of a complex and evolving legal drama that may forever alter the course of his storied career.